Welcome to Chef Sarah's Kitchen, and today I'm going to make caramelized onions and beef in bread. Stay tuned as I prepare to the end. These are my ingredients. I have my bread. This is homemade bread. I made it on my own. You can check on my YouTube channel on how to prepare it. I have beef that I've cut into strips. Onions I've cut into julienne. Oil, soy sauce, black pepper and salt. First of all, I'm going to cook my beef. I put little oil on my pan. Make sure the pan is very hot. Put my beef. Let it cook until it's dry. Then you add the onion. Once the beef has dried, I'm going to add the onion. Then cook them until they are golden brown. Continue stirring until they are golden brown. As you can see, it's almost golden brown. I've seasoned with salt. Just put a pinch of salt or to your taste, and little light soy sauce. Then I put a pinch of black pepper. Just put a pinch. Then you mix well. Let it cook for further 2 minutes. As you can see, my beef is ready. I set it aside. Make sure it has that golden color. I'm now going to cut my bread. Cut it across. Don't cut until you reach the end. Leave it like that. Then I take my beef, I stuff in. Fill it well. This is a quick fix that you can make for packed lunch or for picnic, because it's easier to carry. Then you cover it like that. Ready to plate. I put it on my plate. I'm going to serve it with salad. I have mixed salad. Then I'll garnish with mint. I put my mint leaves here. This is my end product. You can try it anytime. As you enjoy eating your meal, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As I said earlier, it's Chef Sarah's Kitchen. Stay tuned each and every time for more recipes. Bon appetit!